The OpenBCI Ganglion is a 4-channel biosensing board capable of acquiring EEG, EMG, and ECG data. It is completely open source, and you'll be able to do some cool biosensing projects such as move prosthetics with your muscles, make helicopters fly with your brainwaves, play video games, and much more. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to get started with the Ganglion board by showing you the electrical activity of my heart, also known as ECG. First, make sure to follow the instructions on our tutorials page on how to install the OpenBCI GUI on your machine. Second, we connect ourselves to the Ganglion board. I'm using the blue, red, and purple EMG and ECG snap electrode cables with some sticky electrodes. Make sure the switches on the Ganglion are in the up position, closest to the pins. I connect the blue cable to the DG bottom pin. I'll only use the 3rd channel on the board, so I'll connect the red cable to the 3- pin on the bottom, and the purple cable to the 3+ pin on top. Then I connect the Ganglion to the battery pack. I put the sticky electrodes on the cables, and then I'll put them on my arm. I'll connect the negative red electrode to my left arm, and the blue and purple electrodes to my right arm. Let's now get the GUI started. We turn on our Ganglion, make sure the LED blue light is blinking. Then we click on Live from Ganglion, and we pick BLE as the transfer protocol. If you're using Windows, make sure you're using a CSR dongle. We should be able to find the Ganglion on the BLE device list on the OpenBCI GUI. Then we click on Start System. We can turn off the channels we are not using, 1, 2, and 4. Change the layout of the GUI, and the vertical scale of the time series to auto. We can now start the data stream. And in less than 1 minute, we have the computer set up, and we can see that I'm alive because my heart is beating. Because OpenBCI is a completely open source platform, you have access to modify the software and do what you want with your data for free. Make sure to check out our community page and forum to see what other people have been using OpenBCI for and get inspiration for your projects. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.